Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the ctfmon.exe is missing and the Windows search bar and calculator are not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issue guys. Let's jump straight into it. For that, open up the file explorer in the taskbar. Just need to go to this PC and you need to go to Windows icon over here. You need to select the local disk C and go to Windows and search for system32 folder guys. Yes, system32, here we get. Double click on it and in here you need to search for ctfmon. ctfmon, where are you? ctfmon, you just need to right click on it and select the more option over here and send it to desktop create shortcut. Click on it and that has been created in shortcut in desktop guys. You just need to close out of here and in here now you just need to right click on the start button over here, right click on it and click run. In run you need to type sh shell double dot icon and common space start up. Just need to space in here guys between common shell double dot icon common dot startup. Just need to press OK in here and opens up file explorer guys. You just need to drag this folder into it. Just drag this folder into it guys. Just need to move this folder in this startup folder. Just need to replace the file in destination. Click on it. I already do it guys. I mean, before video I did it for this, but not problem for you guys. You don't have anything in here. You just need to drag it in and close out of here and you need to restart your PC guys for after doing that and restart it. After restarting your PC guys, you just need to go to search menu and type registry editor. Just need to click on run as administrator over here guys. Wait for it. Click on run as administrator. Click yes. Now in here you need to expand the key local machine guys. Expand it and expand the software folder and expand the Microsoft folder and expand Windows folder guys. Search for it. Windows folder, expand it. In Windows folder you need to search for current version, expand it and search for run guys, RUN. You just need to click on run guys. In my video I show the file path in here. I will zoom in guys. You just need to check whether correct or wrong in your computer. On right side you need to right click on it, blank area, and click new, click string value and you just need to name it as value as ctfmon. Press enter guys. ctfmon, press enter. Double click on it and now you just need to check my video description for this string value data guys. You just need to check my video description for this value data. I just save in my folder string value used. You just need to copy it and paste it in, guys. Double click on it and change this value data, whatever having is. Just need to change this to this value data, guys. In my description of my video, you just need to copy that and paste it in. Press OK, and after clicking OK, you just need to press yes, and you just go back, guys. Go back. You just need to restart for make changes, guys. Close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC. The changes take effect. Hopefully that can able to resolve your problem, guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.